Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on PlayStation of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1 Xbox Series S. This Xbox Series S, positioned as a digital gaming console, represents a contemporary evolution in gaming technology. This gaming system, exemplified by this Xbox Series S starter bundle, offers an immersive gaming experience with its cutting-edge features and extensive library of games. Central to its appeal is the inclusion of a 512GB SSD, ensuring swift loading times and seamless gameplay. One of the standout features of this Xbox Series S is its integration with the Game Pass Ultimate subscription service. This membership grants players access to hundreds of games, spanning various genres and styles, enhancing the value proposition of the console. With a 3-month subscription bundled with the starter pack, players can explore a vast array of titles without additional cost, fostering a diverse and dynamic gaming experience. By embracing a digital-only approach, the Xbox Series S eliminates the need for physical game discs, streamlining the gaming process and enhancing convenience for players. This shift distribution aligns with broader trends in the gaming industry, catering to an increasingly interconnected and digitally savvy audience. Overall, the Xbox Series S starter bundle represents a compelling option for gamers seeking a high-performance, digitally focused gaming console. With its powerful hardware, extensive game library, and integrated subscription service, it offers a comprehensive gaming solution that caters to both seasoned enthusiasts and Product 2 Product name PlayStation. The PlayStation brand has been a dominant force in the gaming industry for decades, consistently delivering cutting-edge gaming experiences to millions of players worldwide. At the forefront of this legacy is the PlayStation 5 console, the latest iteration of Sony's gaming hardware lineup. The PlayStation 5, known for its sleek design and powerful hardware capabilities, offers gamers unparalleled immersion and performance. With its lightning-fast SSD storage, advanced haptic feedback controller, and support for ray tracing technology, the PS5 provides a truly next-generation gaming experience. One of the standout titles for the PlayStation 5 is Marvel's Spider-Man 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the critically acclaimed superhero action-adventure game developed by Insomniac Games. In this sequel, players once again step into the shoes of Peter Parker as he faces new challenges and villains in an expanded and visually stunning open-world rendition of New York City. To celebrate the release of Marvel's Spider-Man 2 and to offer the slim version of the PlayStation 5 console, adorned with unique Spider-Man-themed aesthetics, along with a copy of Marvel's Spider-Man 2. With this bundle, players not only get to enjoy the unparalleled gaming experience offered by the PlayStation 5, but also dive into the thrilling world of Marvel's Spider-Man 2 right out of the box. Whether swinging through the skyscrapers of Manhattan or engaging in intense combat against Product 3 Product name PlayStation, the PlayStation brand has long been synonymous with cutting-edge gaming experiences, and the PlayStation 5 PS5 continues this tradition with its release in November 2020. As of my last update in January 2022, the PS5 has maintained its position as one of the most sought-after gaming consoles on the market, boasting impressive hardware capabilities and an extensive library of games. The PS5's hardware represents a significant leap forward from its predecessor, the PlayStation 4. Powered by a custom AMD Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU, the PS5 delivers stunning graphics, fast loading times, and smooth gameplay experiences. Its innovative solid-state drive (SSD) drastically reduces loading times, allowing players to dive into their games almost instantly. One of the most notable features of the PS5 is its DualSense controller, which introduces advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. This technology provides a more immersive gaming experience, allowing players to feel the impact of in-game actions like never before. Product 4 Product name PlayStation. The PlayStation is a renowned series of video game consoles developed by Sony Interactive Entertainment. Since its inception in 1994 with the release of the original PlayStation, the brand has become synonymous with cutting-edge gaming technology, immersive experiences, and an extensive library of games across various genres. One notable aspect of PlayStation's legacy is its contribution to the evolution of gaming hardware and software. Each iteration of the PlayStation console has introduced advancements in graphics processing power and multimedia capabilities. From the PlayStation 2's dominance as one of the best-selling consoles of all time to the PlayStation 4's emphasis on social connectivity and high-fidelity gaming, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of what gaming consoles can achieve. Furthermore, the PlayStation ecosystem extends beyond just hardware, encompassing a diverse range of software offerings. The PlayStation Network (PSN) provides a platform for gamers to connect, purchase games digitally, and access online series have garnered critical acclaim and contributed to the brand's reputation for delivering compelling gaming experiences. In recent years, the PlayStation 4 has been succeeded by the PlayStation 5, Sony's latest flagship console offering. With features like ray tracing, ultra-fast SSD storage, and haptic feedback in the DualSense controller, the PS5 represents the next-gen